Welcome back to another tutorial of Photoshop. Let's create this cool text portrait effect. Bring the image into Photoshop. Go to Object Selection tool and make a selection of face. Click on Layer Mask icon and right-click and convert to Smart Object. Resize the image and make sure it is in the middle of the canvas. Press Ctrl R to bring the ruler, and bring the ruler in the middle of the image. Go to Rectangular Marquee tool and make a selection like this, and click on Layer Mask icon. Duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl J and reverse the mask by pressing Ctrl I. Go to Text tool and make sure it is right align, and write your text. Change its color. Follow the video. Bring the text layer in the middle of the image, like this. Select the top layer, right-click, and create clipping mask. To make your image look more pop, follow the video. See you soon with another cool tutorial.